In Convertri, it's easy to add clients, designers, or copywriters to your projects. You can either add people as team editors and restrict their permissions as you wish, or as a team manager, which also gives them the power to add or remove members from the team. To access the team members dashboard, go to Account and then Team on the left-hand menu. This will display all existing team editors and team managers. To add a new user, click Add New User and enter the name and email address of your new team member. This will be the email address that they use to log in. Please note you cannot give access to an email address with a pre-existing Convertri account. To change a team editor's permissions, click Permissions and choose which domains they have access to. Using the toggle, you can toggle all or select individual domains. If the toggle is blue, it means they have access, and if it is grey, it means that they don't. To make a team editor a team manager, click Make Manager on your chosen team member. Please note that making someone a team manager gives them the power to add or remove team members. Finally, to choose whether you want the dashboard to display team members, team editors, or both, simply use the checkboxes to customize who is displayed.